How to edit song on Audiomack. Hello, welcome to our channel, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to edit your song on Audiomack. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you guys are wondering, you can download Audiomack on Google Play Store or App Store, or you can use the link down there in the video description below. So without further ado, let's get started. And as you can see, I'm on my Audiomack Creator app, and right here on my Creator app, all of my uploaded songs are listed right here. And if I want to edit them, I can just click the three dots button on the right, and yeah, if I click that, these options will appear. So right here, as you can see, I can click edit song, and if I click edit song, I will be on this page where I can edit all of the information that I set earlier. I can change the artist name or the song title. I can also change it, and etc, etc. You can change all of this right here on the editing page. Yeah, I can also change what type of publish I want for this song. If I want to set it on private, I can set it on private. And if you're done with all of your editing, then yeah, that's it. Your edited song are now saved, and that's how you edit your song on Audiomack. And also, that's it for today's tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.